Good afternoon, good evening, Borderland. We are having some snow this evening starting at 11:30 p.m. But let's take a look at temperatures right now at the airport. 45 degrees, 33-mile-per-hour winds, dew point at 26 degrees, and humidity at 47. So bundle up before heading out anywhere. Right now across the region, 45 in El Paso, Juarez 46, Las Cruces 33, and cloud crop below freezing temperatures at 22 degrees. Now into our overnight lows for tonight, we are forecasting El Paso to dip into 32 degrees to match with Juarez. Las Cruces below freezing temperatures, and cloud crop at 7 degrees, so very chilly. Bring those furry friends inside. Forecasting our high for tomorrow in Las Cruces, 43, windy conditions, westerly winds from 20 to 30 miles per hour, so it's going to be very windy, as well as El Paso. Tomorrow's highs in El Paso, we're looking at 46 degrees. We are going to be having those AM flurries around 7 a.m. Westerly winds from 30 to 40 miles per hour, so more breezy, more windy than Las Cruces. Your allergy forecast. Monday, we are seeing a peak. It's going to be peaking up quite a bit as we are having those heavy, strong winds. Tuesday, it's going to go down a little bit as we clear up, and Wednesday, a little bit moderate. So if you suffer from allergies, make sure you take care of that and take your medicine along the road. Your 9-day forecast for tomorrow, windy conditions, 46 as our high, dipping into 25 in our lows, and Tuesday, we're going to be at 50, freezing, below freezing temperatures, 29 degrees in the evening. Wednesday 58. Now Thursday we are going to have those chances of evening flurries, 59 as our high, 31 as our low, and Friday 52. Then we start warming up on the weekend. Saturday looking at 57 degrees, Sunday 60 degrees, and Monday partly cloudy skies, 58. Ending the week at 57 degrees with overnight lows in the lower and mid 30s, so it's going to be a bit chilly. I do want to give a big shout out to our weather watchers. This is Ozzy Carrillo in the Trans Mountain area. Beautiful as we saw dust earlier. And of course, my sister Ana Acosta in the east side area, also a little bit dusty. If you would like to be a part of our weather watchers, make sure you submit your photos to news@ktsm.com or any of the platforms you see on your screen. We'll be back a little bit after this break.